A Sand County Almanac by Aldo Leopold, Part 2, The Quality of Landscape, Chapter 2, Illinois and Iowa, Section 2, Red Legs Kicking. When I call to mind my earliest impressions, I wonder whether the process ordinarily referred to as growing up is not actually a process of growing down, whether experience, so much touted among adults as the thing children lack, is not actually a progressive dilution of the essentials by the trivialities of living. This much at least is sure. My earliest impressions of wildlife and its pursuit retain a vivid sharpness of form, color, and atmosphere that half a century of professional wildlife experience has failed to obliterate or to improve upon. Like most aspiring hunters, I was given at an early age a single-barreled shotgun and permission to hunt rabbits. One winter Saturday, en route to my favorite rabbit patch, I noticed that the lake, then covered with ice and snow, had developed a small air hole at a point where a windmill discharged warm water from the shore. All ducks had long since departed southward, but I then and there formulated my first ornithological hypothesis. If there were a duck left in the region, he or she would inevitably, sooner or later, drop in at this air hole. I suppressed my appetite for rabbits, sat down in the cold, smart weeds on the frozen mud, and waited. I waited all afternoon, growing colder with each passing crow and with each rheumatic groan of the laboring windmill. Finally, at sunset, a lone black duck came out of the west and without even a preliminary circling of the air hole, set his wings and pitched downward. I cannot remember the shot. I remember only my unspeakable delight when my first duck hit the snowy ice with a thud and lay there, belly up, red legs kicking. When my father gave me the shotgun, he said I might hunt partridges with it, but that I might not shoot them from trees. I was old enough, he said, to learn wing shooting. My dog was good at treeing partridge, and to forego a sure shot in the tree in favor of a hopeless one at the fleeing bird was my first exercise in ethical codes. Compared with a treed partridge, the devil and his 7 kingdoms was a mild temptation. At the end of my second season of featherless partridge hunting, I was walking one day through an aspen thicket when a big partridge rose from a roar at my left and, towering over the aspens, crossed behind me, hell-bent for the nearest cedar swamp. It was a swinging shot of the sort the partridge hunter dreams about, and the bird tumbled dead in a shower of feathers and golden leaves. I could draw a map today of each clump of red bunchberry and each blue aster that adorned the mossy spot where he lay, my first partridge on the wing. I suspect my present affection for bunchberries and asters dates from that moment.